You say, Oko to Abasa Nebeya, Dormaahene, everything you have new to Babeya Pedia, or Philly. You know about Kuma a year if you have him as a strong warning. A Bonofo, any a year Dormaahene. Now, some no, say no, can hire gun and some TV, best say, Obey like it. Now, I subscribe to channel on your mind, 10 notification, but send a post BBC answer, a bit in your Cabusia, and video no, Embra, young Combra.
Bonomai, and a Dormaahene, and a Ghana Funyana. Kakra me pese me kachire mu nisi Asantehene na wo ho no mamma enye mo adwene si aban bi aba enti sa aban we de aban we awaba no Asantehene ano endu begwem aban we awaba nti no Asantehene eni tumi eye gori na ewo mo ani so muridi egori Asantehene ehia political party bi no de enya tumi anani tumi akosoro ansa na wetimi akasa Asantehene Sara na ohia political party bi ansana na Asantehene no odi na edimu anabeka say political party we obey de ama Asantehene tumi no okura no okura ansana political parties ni nyina aba political party biara ni wo betumi atwe Asantehene ano awo form anasa Asantehene be kasa na wakasa Asantehene kasa na okan no yenje ntum Asantehene na kasa kan o so kasa wi a court biara ni ho a obetumi a challenge ono ne kasa na fiso de den o de no kwaredi ene nyansa ene edi djuma enti se Bonofo ene Dormaafo mofo se sa mo hene patapa na o de patapa ya ade ohene mua a yeyiw a woda bunu nyina House of Chiefs yeyiw as a president abri bia wo kasa nyansa ni muda wone na mbegwem na wo kasa twa te se dabo anano dansum na mo na chifo no so minim se enye mo fere o se enye chese enye mo hwe mu hu se okasa nyansem na sebi penye biasa ohene kasa tantantan se wo begwem nia esi wo sampa no otumfo ne yese oye na waye faako a yese da no eho na otumfo de ato no enti se musi ni otumfo kan no enye no kware a court wo ho momfa nko court mo de akọ court se ni otumfo kan no eno ane mo nti ase a ECOWAS court wo ho efiwa momfa nko world court baby biara ni wa mo de be kwa mo be di nkonim empanyini se fa wo ho batanyansani na hunyansa ni a mehu ne se Dormaahene ever since amu yi sa agimabadu se ohene mo nyina mo ya dan mo ya because mo ade no ye na mo sumudi na chi eye honwa na ye nimguase eye fere enti pempren fa ko ana agimabadu support se agimabadu se oyi na enko na pempren mu nyina mutudi echi eno nti mu se sa na timpodi na mo beto abatia MPP aban na mo de NDC aba because NDC ba obetumi support agimabadu made ye mobo made eye mobo papa aye mo se mahama ba betumi ama wo friend den Asantehene asama waka no watwe asan amafuni se manu ye ya ododo nti mempese me de atem de dibe hihiem na kakra me ka kyerem ni se munsu anyansa keke wiase no Nyankopon bo ye ba asase ne so no ki ode ma yen eye nyansa enti nyansa no uhu se adi se ne yekọ no nyansa be ka kyerem se eye right anase eye left enye patapa sam modua na nkasa pa mokoma no onu nim sa Asantehene na betumi a kyerɛ si oyi na ɛsɛ odi hene na oyi na ɛsɛ odi hene etu no nso tietia ne chacha mo ɛkɔ menhia na onim sɛ Asantehene kɔ kasa na sanko in favor of him on tiase ani okoye den wo menhia muso yo hene for the past 10 years enso ko menhia no o presenting ne ho sɛ onyo hene afe no tumfo ba be kasa ne yehu hene ɛsɛ odi sampa so eno tufo nim die mo ne na amamre ene ni nyansa amamre ne amanu no ni mode egu aponso ehu se ahindi no se kwa afa hanom ena we yewie mo haw ne den mo di akọ court se ni Asantehene aka na eno ane mo ha on dem biem eye matter of nyansa mo nsu nyansa keke na mo agema bedu no mo nkyere ne ntena ase na mo ntu ne fo enye sa ade a mo benye fi agema bedu ho pe eye nim gu ase ene basabasayo muri nyansa de bia mo nya emfaso de biara enkyere bare nya emfaso de biara wo agema bedu nsem te se enim gu ase keke kwa asama ye ohene na wie pemprem ma mo ye dede nyina ye dede hunu ho te se once na egu bin so mo nyina mo kasa no akoye dede hunu te se once na egu bin so wo ye dede hunu emfaso bi eni so ena atumfo ena we se ena na sampa obodo mo ho ena we jimi unim nyansa wo ye kwasia wo kasa keke ena maka kire mo no mo nyina mo dede na mo ye no te se bin nya once na egu bin so ben say obia bia we say o friend ya titi why te say bolaka why you say preko awa wo foforo ne kasa nyina ye jimi kasa ena obi kita phone we na o fese wo chimi fine jimi aya ne so o kanyanse bia ma so na say jimi kwa na ewo ma jimi o ma kire wi asese ma jimi ye fensia musu anya
so all this issue ni na say just 2 or 3 days ago, a video came out, a lady B. She was so disappointed to the extent that she was saying that the NDC are fairly among a Bonofo Dormaahene, in the sense that you catch it almost say if some people or power in a Otumfo said to Tunyamikasi, Pia and I'm good and a boom munasi. Enya to me. So they should vote for the NDC and NDC bar of Dormaahene so nya to me. That was what they told them. You understand? Sani e catch it almost say MPP or power Asantehene wo to me. Example say Dormaahene nya to me the amount to my yen na ebe bom nya to me. So now omo feel say omo de sampa hene na asem ne court no. Court ne be ka bia ma omo na kire sampa. Afei no Dormaahene so nya to me. But the call na omo say lose you no hu say boga mo ada yen yo. Mo de 6 ada ne 9. Because this is not what you guys told us. Moka chwe say, ye tuma mo na mo ba, ye ne Dormaahene Asante, me mana ye pe. So to them they were just expecting that Asante court now, court be willing in the favor of that guy ba kono na mbo no friend ho yin no na sampa ho that guy no. Some blow say one blow say one blow no. And na nkwa ma ne koma the Otumfo identity so no ye the legitimate Sampahene no Otumfo de say so no and na nkofo ne say you people mo twantra kire omo they know that you nyo ofie Akuapem say masa so obi be ka kire wo say aban bi betimi aba ama no betimi asaline say Otumfo de ya sa nipa no wadada so obi be ka kire government be na president bi and a politician be ka kire wo say family brand me ba metimi silence Otumfo silence Asanteman silence Ashanti kingdom na sanipa no wadada. You can't even silence the Dormaahene to talk of the Asantehene, who is the superior of all the kingdoms in Ghana. What do you say? So then you know what Akuapem catch Dormaahene and say mon country mo Dormaahene and say he should shut up and be serious. Because if this is what he told you guys and that's the reason why you voted against, then I say one vote because of some money the answer policy. So you voted against that because someone told you that no na buying bar obey superior and he can control staffs for you guys and you can be like the Asantehene, and that's the reason why you guys went out to vote for their political party. Then they have failed you people. They have failed you people. Don't let any politician lie to you that Omubetimi I bring it down the Ashanti kingdom. The politician because as a politician they say na dweno enya dwuma because Ashanti kingdom was there before this political parties nearby. Ashanti kingdom was there before independence of Ghana. What did I say? So something that existed before Ghana, no, you can't use Ghana to silence that thing. Because when Ghana was called Gold Coast, Ashanti Kingdom was there. before you be free in Ghana. So this is like to send a signal and a warning to anyone. Oti baby, your dad will say, vote for this political party because about wait me silence. I am forbid to say Otumfo or Asantehene to back for the money. Ya na mono. So because that's a nature catch the politician and say, why drink our form? How the Ghana and TV. Idi am just so any promise the blogger. It has.